Hi, and welcome to ATTO and ATTO Sport Sun and Rain Foldable Canopy Guide. Split the ATTO into two halves. Take the rear part and place it horizontally on a table. Take the lower adapter and place it in the upper side of the rear handle, the tail. Notice the side facing out. Take the lower adapter bracket and place it on the lower side of the rear handle, the tail. Notice the correct side. Make sure the lower adapter and its bracket holes are matching. Use Allen key number 6 to screw and tighten the two M6 bolts in place. Attach the two parts of the ATTO. Unfold the ATTO to drive mode. Remove the two rear lifting handle knobs. Remove the rear lifting handle. Place the ATTO upper adapter bracket and then the rear lifting handle on top of it and retighten the knobs. Take the folded canopy structure and place it first on the upper studs, followed by pressing it towards the lower adapter. Tighten the two metal knobs of the upper studs that are attached to the canopy. Release the two red straps which hold the canopy in its folded position. Pull the roof backwards and upwards until it opens automatically. Make sure that the ATTO is in drive mode. Place the zipper of the front rain cover part into the upper zipper connection located on the sunshade part and zip it all the way from right to left. Before zipping, fold the sunshade's protective strip. While using the zipper, ensure that the upper black part of the front rain cover is located below the front side of the roof. When fully zipped, unfold the zipper's protective strip. Attach and tighten the front rod connector strap, located on the bottom side of the front rain cover, to the lower part of the scooter's telescopic rod. With the half circle attached to the front rain cover, use the hook and loop fastener to connect it to the telescopic rod. Note, you will find the hook and loop fastener connected to the front rain cover part. Hold the sides of the back rain cover while standing behind the rear side of the canopy with the two white straps facing towards the canopy. Attach the two sides cover zippers to the lower zipper connection located on the front rain cover. Note that there are two zippers, one for each side. Click the zipper cover to its place. Use the two lower white straps to attach the rain cover to the canopy structure. After getting onto the ATTO, slide the side zippers to their front position to close the canopy. It is also possible to use only the front rain cover and sunshade roof as a windshield by removing the back rain cover by unzipping the side zippers. Optionally, the side covers can be rolled to the back and locked by using the two rear straps located on the back side of the rain cover. Before folding the canopy, the rain cover must be removed completely by unzipping the side covers, followed by unzipping the front cover and releasing it from the front hook and loop fastener by using the clips. Press the two safety locks and pull the structure backwards simultaneously until it reaches its lower point. Push the roof towards the ATTO until it is automatically locked in its folded position. Use the two red straps located on the mid-rear part of the structure to secure the canopy in its folded position. Make sure to wrap the whole structure. While folded, release the two metal knobs. Hold the canopy and pull it upwards until it releases from the lower adapter. Place the holder over the middle of the lower bar in the canopy structure, starting by attaching its upper side, and rotate it towards the lower edge of the bar until there is a click, indicating that the holder is in its proper place. Simultaneously, push the holder downwards and pull the lower edge until it is removed. When in summer mode, start with placing the lower tip of the cane crutches, then release one of the hook and loop fastener covering one of the indents located on the upper meshed fabric. Once released, push the cane crutches into the indent and fasten the covering hook and loop fastener back, holding the cane crutches in its place. When in winter mode, use the rear side sleeves located on the back of the winter cover to insert the cane crutches.